Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to learn how we can apply a Lambda function to a Pandas data frame. So I have created a CSV file. Let's read it first. Okay. Then I will show you this data frame. Name, roll number, and percentage. So what we supposed to do actually, if the percentage is less than 33, then we want a column result as fail, and if the percentage is greater or equal to 33, then we can consider those students as pass, so we will result as pass. Okay, so how can we do that? So we can do that like this, like df result is equals to df percentage dot apply lambda x pass if x is greater than or equals to 33, else we will assign fail. Yeah, that's all. What is the error? Apply lambda x pass if x is greater than equals to 33. Okay, here. So now let's see the result. So you can see like name, roll number, percentage, and result. So if the number percentage is 55, then it is pass. If it is 32, then fail. 78, then pass. 89, then pass. 29, then fail. So like this we can apply many lambda functions and if else conditions to any data frame columns. So yeah, that's all for in this video. We will continue in further videos.